name is Reese. I come from the Carnarvon area and I was given the opportunity to travel to Finland. We spent a day in Helsinki, we spent a day in Lahti, and we spent a few days in a camp with the young people from Finland. And we did activities like snowwalking, skiing. A highlight experience was me seeing the Northern Lights. It was incredible.
They had learned so many new skills from going on public transport, travelling, to communicating with others. They learned so much that they wouldn't be able to in other types of experiences. It just opened their eyes. For us as an organisation, it was great to learn from another country, to see how they work with nature and how we can use this as a tool to help young people.
The experience has impacted our mental health in very positive ways. I no longer feel like anything's holding me back. I can do things that I never thought I'd be able to. For example, I can now speak in front of a lot of people without feeling anxious, and I can now travel on my own as well without feeling anxious or overwhelmed.
One young person came back and it was life-changing, and they wrote us a letter even to say how much it's like a 3-page letter of how much they learned and how much they enjoyed and how that they had experienced happiness for the first time in years. And just the confidence that they gained from that trip was just amazing to hear their stories. And some of these young people are homeless or they've been through a lot of trauma, and they wouldn't be able to do this without our support and without the Tide grant.
There are no downsides to going on a trip like this, and it is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
I would say go for it. It's quite an easy process compared to other grants. The Tide team are so helpful. Anything you need, they're on hand to navigate any concerns. It's all worth it to see the happiness on the young people's faces and to give them these opportunities that they might not be able to do otherwise.